What's going on, everybody? This is James here with MCA benefitshelper.com. And today I want to explain to you how to use MCA benefits at any time during the day. Motor Club of America has many great benefits with its memberships. MCA's benefits include the following: unlimited roadside assistance, arrest bonds, bail bonds, travel assistance, legal defense, travel planning discounts, health discounts, credit card protection, emergency room benefits, and much more. Each of these benefits vary depending upon the membership package which you choose. All MCA benefits are helpful to all consumers because of their purpose is to protect you, help you, and prevent you from harm. Many people get MCA benefits because they are highly affordable, convenient, and allow a person to travel with protection. When it comes to the unlimited roadside assistance, MCA focuses on helping the consumer see vehicle assistance on the road, like free towing, tire change, gas refueling, lockout, and battery jumping. You can call Motor Club of America at 1-800-435-7622 and press 2 for emergency roadside assistance. At any time of the day, MCA is there to help you. We want to listen to you, and we care about your safety. Let us serve you and provide you assistance. All of the benefits have different uses for the member and can be applied. For example, when being charged with a traffic violation and arrested, you can use the arrest bond to help you. Everything depends on the nature of what happened, and also you can speak with a lawyer about it. MCA provides legal services if you are involved in a vehicle-related crime such as manslaughter or homicide, or if you have faced conviction from anything law-related. We have many great benefits that will help you every day. Please take a look at them to discover more information. If you are interested in purchasing an MCA membership, then all you need to do is click the link below and see which membership you want and pay the fee. After you pay the fee, you will get a confirmation email with your membership ID, and within 3 to 5 days, you will receive your new membership card with MCA by mail. Your membership benefits become active within 1 day for processing purposes in the TVC system, and you are more welcome at any time to cancel your membership. Now, I want to invite you to click the link below or go directly to www.mcabenefitshelper.com to get more information about the membership and also to get your MCA benefits card today. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me at any time. Thanks and take care.